Hello guys, welcome back to the Big LT. Today, I'm going to be deblading this fan here because it's taking up too much room and I don't want the blades to be bent either. So I'm going to try to take off the blades here. It's pretty easy, but I got to find something to collect these in. I don't know what to collect them in. I'll probably just here, I'll be right back. I'm going to find something to put these screws in. Alright, well, after a few minutes of searching for something to hold these screws in, I just decided to just use this paint can to just put them on the top of the can lid. So I'm going to just do that. Alright, let's keep on deblading this thing. Oh man, all of you ceiling fan collectors can just you guys just install and uninstall a fan in a matter of minutes. Well, if I ever had to do that, it would probably take me hours upon hours to do that. I wish I was able to do that stuff in a matter of just minutes and minutes. Yeah, minutes. Yeah. Alright, well, one blade is off. Time to go to the next. Alright. This is easier than I thought it would be. Don't do this stuff much. Oh, I'm using a flat head as well. If you guys were wondering. Here, I'm going to maybe later on in the video, I'm going to search for some seat in here in the garage to do this because I'm getting tired of just squatting. All right, the bolts here at the front of the motors are hard to get off. I'll need to put them screws in some bag later on after this because I'm just going to give this to my grandpa next time we go to my grandma's house. That's what I plan on doing with this, just giving it to him. Alright. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. I'm not able to zoom in, sadly. I tried, but this is what I have to do. I can't zoom in. Only 2 blades left. This thing's really going to be wobbly. Sorry, it was already resting on one blade on the ground when I found it. So this thing's going to be real wobbly. I need to dust this thing off as well. I still don't know what brand this fan came from. That's something that I really want to know, but nobody's commenting on any of the videos that I have uploaded of this ceiling fan Nobody at all. Alright, well, it's time for the final blade. After this, I don't have to worry about the blades being bent on this fan anymore. Alright, the last screw. Get a fly. There's a fly on the fan. I hate flies. They're useless. The last blade is finally off. Look at this bladeless ceiling fan. Hey, hey, hey. Oh crap. This thing's all stuck. Well, there's that. The next thing I'll have to do is tighten this here because it's getting loose. It's kind of wobbly, as you can see, and I don't like that, so I'm going to try to tighten it a little bit. Well, that was the end of this video, and probably the last video of this. This is going to be the last video of this ceiling fan, unless my grandpa installs it immediately after I gave it to him. Then you'll get to see it all running and stuff. But for right now, this will have to be the last video. See you guys later. Bye.